This video shows you how to manage apps in Qlik Cloud Analytics Standard. Users with Analytics Admin role and Private Analytics Content Creator role can create a new app or upload an existing one. When you add an app, you select the space and have the option to add tags to it. The user who creates the app is the app owner. Users with Can Edit permissions can edit data in apps, and users with Can Manage permission can add sheets, stories, and bookmarks to apps in shared spaces. Only the creator of the private content can see it in the app. When they're ready to be shared, the creator makes them public. You can duplicate apps in a shared space. You can export an app from a shared space as a QVF file. Exported apps do not include any private sheets in the app. As a tenant administrator, you can manage apps that you or others create. As a tenant admin, you can change the space that an app belongs to. You can move apps between shared spaces or between personal spaces and shared spaces. You can also change the owner of the app by selecting the user to assign the app to. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.